This is iPhone 15, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to begin, you will need to launch the App Store and install the Turbo VPN app. First we gotta find it, then tap at the Get button in front of the app, or instead of Get button you might also have the cloud icon in case you have previously installed this app on the account you're currently signed into or Apple ID you're currently logged into. Then launch the app once it is installed. Here tap at the Agree button. Next, skip this ad by tapping at the cross sign, and then you can just tap at this caret icon, allow the VPN connection to be established. Wait a few seconds, and the VPN has been successfully connected to. While at it, you should be able to change the server by tapping at this flag over here, and then just select the server you would like to reconnect yourself to. So let me find the server that will not be a premium one, which is kinda tough. Probably on iPhone, the only free server that you get is the Germany, or just is Germany, so yeah, as far as I can see, it should be the case. Anyway, in case you will buy the premium version of this app, that's how you switch your server. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.